Hey, what is up, guys? A lot of people have been asking me about Crowd1. Sam, what is Crowd1? Why are you not, joining Crowd1? Crowd1 is amazing. To be honest with you, I've actually checked the Crowd1 website 1,000 times. Okay, I'm exaggerating, not up to 1,000 times, but I've checked it several times. But sincerely, I couldn't get anything to make me want to join. But on a second thought, I said, hey, why not do a deeper study, right? To see if we can, and actually did that study yesterday and stroke this morning. And I said, okay, fine. I've gotten I've got my answers. And, while I was still doing the study, someone asked me the same question again. He was like, Sam, I want to go into Crowd1. Would you advise me to go into it or not? I said, okay, since I'm getting this question from several people, I'm going to do a video to talk about it, and so I don't keep getting answers and replying each person one by one. So if you want to know about Crowd1, here is my honest opinion, right? My honest and sincere opinion. Now let's dive right into it. Now this is the Crowd1 official website, right? So one thing about the website is that if I come to your website, I should be able to get 100% information, if not 100%, at least 50 to 30% information about your business and how you generate income. If I don't get it on the homepage, there should be a link that guides me to how the business really works, right? So this is the website. So I came on. So this is the homepage, very beautiful website, and I love it, right? Impossible is nothing, adapted for the global markets with high-end and real-time money technology. All right. So here's what I'm looking for. I want to find out how the business works. How does the company make money? That's what I'm looking for. So let's look at it together. Right, so endless opportunities, drive trade and cut unnecessary intermediaries, a growing network presence with members, okay, secured affiliates, okay, doesn't say anything about how to make money. We believe online success, okay, run your business without limitations. Members are rewarded from, okay, that makes sense. Members are rewarded from the success of both internal and external concepts. Thanks, okay, doesn't make sense at all. The most distinct and disruptive contribution is the leverage. Okay, how do you guys make money? The crowd movement. Okay, distribute. All Crowd1 associate packages include a generous. Okay. Now this is the end, and I can't find how they make money. Right. So, well, you can't just judge just by looking at the top, right? So I decided to create an account. This is my account, and let me show you what I found out. I found out that there are several packages. Right, let me show you some. See, I'm at the starter level, right, and I have network level 1, right? So just in case you're wondering why network is there, that's actually because it's a network marketing business. And personally, as a person, right, I don't like network marketing business. Now that doesn't mean network marketing business is a scam, don't get me wrong, right? But I don't have the strength to try and convince someone else, to join. Now, convincing someone else to join is not even the problem. The problem is that if you don't convince someone to join, you don't get paid. Now, I don't know if I'm going to say it right. So I have someone who got registered, and she needed money. Yeah, a lady. I know she watched this video. She needed money badly, but she couldn't get paid from Crowd1. Why? Because she needed to bring someone. And that reminds me of another platform, and I'm not going to call the name, right? So, but let's not just jump into conclusion, right? So I made further studies. I noticed that you're going to get paid when you bring in people to register, and there are several ways. Most of the links are not really working. By going through the website, I couldn't find any good details that convinced me that, hey, these guys, this is what they do and this is how they make money. Currently, all I know about Crowd1, from what I've read so far, is that you register, you bring people to join. So I said, okay, let me go outside the platform to see if I can get information about the platform. All right, so I saw this beautiful website right here that talks about Crowd1. Now, remember what I said. This information might be true or false. So do your own due diligence, do your own research. But this is my own research and my own honest opinion. So Crowd1 review investments, scam, compensation plan. Now, they are not saying it's a scam. They're just trying to bring in a point. But let's see. Let's follow what they're doing. So the company overview, we don't want to know about the company overview. That could be true or false, because who knows if this person they're trying to blackmail or maybe spoil the companies. Let's just see what the business is all about. What product does Crowd1 sell? No retail products. In this section, the review, okay. Now this is what they are into. What you will get when you make an investment to join Crowd1 educational platform. You have real estate, funding and marketing, and more. Right? So you will also get access to platforms like AlphaGo and Mixer. So I had to check the Mixer out. So Mixer is a gaming platform, and that is currently not functioning so far that I checked. Now, if I'm wrong, please let me know in the description if it's functioning. But it looks to me like something that is coming in the future. But don't get me wrong, gaming industry is one of the biggest industries there is. AlphaGo is a crowd affiliate sites that members can generate money through the gaming companies that are participating, right? Blah 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 blah. It's not just clear. So how does Crowd1 compensation plan work? Okay, the first thing that you need to do in order to get started is to join investment levels. So there are different levels. What you get for investment is what you call owners shares. Okay, there's a white level. I saw the white level on the website. There's a black level. Okay, all right, so this is where you start your investment. This is where you put your money in, right? So what do you get in return? Let's see, residual commission. Binaries only have two legs, left and right. You see? Now, okay, let's read that properly. For those that are unfamiliar with the two binary compensation plan, here's how it works. Binary house, okay, you need to personally sponsor and maintain one person. That means you need to bring someone. Remember what I told you about a lady that didn't bring anybody and couldn't get paid on your right and one person on your left. Now, can you remember the video I did about million money? This is the video about million money. Now, what we just read on this website that you have to bring two people sounded just like million money. Million money, you have to bring two people. And million money obviously is a scam, right? But let's not jump into conclusion right now. So you need to bring two people, which that one alone turns me up because I don't have the strength to start bringing people into a business. So if I don't bring two people into a business, I don't get paid. That doesn't work for me personally. Now, just in case I'm wrong, if I can get paid without bringing anybody, just let me know. I know that getting paid without bringing someone doesn't work in Crowd1. So far that I know. Just in case I'm wrong, just let me know in the description below. So binaries can be built down to unlimited depth. Reminds me of million money. That's exactly how million money works. Okay, let's see. Let's read further. White level, black level, matching bonus. Now, okay, this might sound interesting. First level of your unit level compensation plan structure, we only have your personal enrolled members. The second level, how do you guys make money? They've not said that. If you notice, we've not heard how they make money. All we've read so far is you bring people, you get compensated. What are you guys doing with this money? Are you trading forex with it? The general information I've gotten so far is that this money is made from the gaming industry. Yes, I understand that there's so much money in the gaming industry. But these guys, do they have so much money that they are willing to give you those money for free? No, these are the thoughts that come through my mind. Alright, so streamline bonus. Let's see. Here's a breakdown of how it works. White level, when you joined at this level, you earn 3 streamlines. It talks about bringing people fear of loss bonus. Now, again, this is the part that got me interested, but I still saw a turn off. Now, Crowd1 also offers affiliate members bonus commissions for sponsoring a certain amount of investing members in a 14-day time period. So what this means is that if you register on Crowd1 and you cannot bring, okay, no, let's just read. Now, blah 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 blah. This bonus is only offered within the new members 14 days after joining Crowd1. This is why they call it fear of loss. It's supposed to be loss, LOSS bonus. I personally think they could have changed it to 90. Okay, that's his own opinion. Here's how much you earn for your first 14 days with fear of loss. I told you fear of loss bonus. When you recruit 4 level, you see what I was saying? What's the difference between what is here? When you recruit four white level affiliate members, you earn 125 euros. It talks about recruiting. Now, this is not different from Million Money. After watching this video, watch this Million Money video, right? I'll drop a link in the description so you can watch the Million Money video. Or while watching this video, it's going to pop up at the top of the screen, right? You watch the video and tell me the difference between Crowd1 and Million Money. It's just the same business that is repeated in these guys, right? Right, so what's the cost of joining Crowd1? 99 euros. Okay, there are 4 levels that you can join. So 99 euros. Crowd1 is no, in my opinion, this guy say this is his own opinion. It's not a scam, right? So I also think it's not a scam, but I'll tell you my final opinion at the end of the video. Right, so the fact that you offer no retail products, right? That's it. They offer no retail product at all, right? At all. So what are you selling then? They have no product, okay, and run an MLM compensation plan. Gambling is also okay. Now this is what Crowd1 is all about. It's a business that has no product and run an MLM compensation business. So what is MLM? A business where you only get paid when you bring people. So you don't bring people, you don't get paid. I'll tell you what that reminds me of. So gambling is also very regulated, and any profits made need to be licensed, which there is no evidence that the company has it. There is no evidence of partnership. Now, even if there is evidence of partnership, which I personally have not seen, does the company have so much money that they're willing to give it to you for free? What product are you selling for them that they want to pay you for free? Right, so now here's the next question. Name one big company in the world that doesn't have a product and is making money. Is it Amazon or Facebook? Facebook has a product. They have an app and they have you that use Facebook. So the more you use Facebook, the more they serve you adverts, and then the more they make money through the adverts. So they make money by selling ads and even selling your personal data. Right? So in summary, I think Crowd1 is just Million Money in disguise. And remember, there is a popular MLM business that came around a few years ago called MMM, right? So MMM is just like Crowd1, or should I say Crowd1 is just like MMM. Now, this is my opinion. I might be wrong, like I said, right? So MMM was a crowdfunding business, actually called a Ponzi scheme, where you only get paid when you bring people. Now the same thing, that's actually the same thing with what's it called, with Crowd1. So in my opinion, for me, this is my opinion. I might be wrong. Don't take this information as a grain of salt, right? I might be wrong, but here's my verdict. Crowd1 is not a good business for me. I think it's Ponzi scheme, right? You don't get paid. If you don't bring people, right? There is no clear partnership deal with the gaming industry, with this industry, and there is currently no proof that this industry, this platform right here, is making so much money or as much money as they claim they make, right? Yeah, gaming industry is one of the biggest industry, no doubt. They make a lot of money, but Crowd1 is not a good business for me. I wouldn't advise anybody close to me to join Crowd1. Yep. So that's it. Now, just in case you want to criticize the video, please do and drop valuable information in the description below, right? So, all right, guys, see ya.